What's up, everybody? This is Chris with Digital REM, also known as Dream Bigger on my handle. But we're gonna just go ahead and hop right into this Blender course where we're gonna show you how to apply materials to your object. We're gonna do the second part of the lesson is applying two materials to one object. Let's go ahead and make a new material first. So we're gonna push this plus button here on the side, add new material set, boom. Make new, hit the new button. We're gonna call this material 2 just so we know the difference. We're gonna do a different color. Let's do this one like a purple. So hold down tab, edit mode, or go up here, edit mode. This one you can select faces, so we're gonna do it select faces. Make sure you're on material 2 and hit assign. And now what you had selected is assigned to the faces you selected.